In the heart of nature, where carob trees stand tall and proud, Sur Taller de Arquitectura has crafted a masterpiece, Casa Granero, a permanent-use house designed for a family that revels in the joys of togetherness, farming, culinary pursuits, furniture making, and animal raising. Casa Granero draws inspiration from traditional agricultural spaces, reimagining them as a haven for both protection and production. This contemporary adaptation is a testament to the architect's vision of creating a flexible and secure space that seamlessly blends with the surrounding environment. Nestled amidst the carob trees, the main house serves as the focal point for family life. It opens up space for a second stage, an orchard, and a patio, symbolizing a harmonious coexistence with nature. The design invites inhabitants to live under the natural canopy, fostering a connection with the outdoors. At the heart of Casa Granero lies the kitchen, the gravitational center of family activities. The bar/cook table, strategically positioned towards a towering window, offers panoramic views of the property's majestic carob trees. This space becomes a nexus for gatherings and celebrations, where the boundaries between interior and exterior vanish under the expansive roof. Adapting to the local climate, Casa Granero takes a strategic approach to face storms head-on. The south-oriented garage and closed walls provide a shield against inclement weather, while carefully placed openings preserve views of the horizon and carob trees. The north-oriented gallery serves as both a weather filter and a seamless transition between the interior and exterior. The architecture of Casa Granero speaks through its materials. A monolithic base of 27 cm thick brick walls forms the foundation, contrasting elegantly with the light roof constructed from metallic profile structural beams. Metal, aluminum, and glass strategically connect the interior with the exterior, emphasizing the structure's genuine and raw beauty. The absence of plasters and coatings allows the natural finishes to shine. Within the property lies an old van repurposed into a workshop and guest house, showcasing the versatility of the space. This multifunctional approach reflects the dynamic lifestyle of the family and adds layers to the narrative of Casa Granero. Sur Taller de Arquitectura has not only created a dwelling but a living canvas that breathes life into the natural surroundings. Casa Granero is more than a house. It is an immersive experience, a celebration of family, nature, and the seamless integration of modern living into the agricultural tapestry.